Question 1. A group of students consumed fried rice from the hostel canteen. After 6 hours, they started vomiting. What is the most likely organism? A. Clostridium botulinum. B. Escherichia coli. C. Shigella dysentery. D. Bacillus cereus. Answer: D. Bacillus cereus. Explanation: Bacillus cereus is associated with food poisoning due to reheated rice. The emetic type presents with nausea and vomiting within 1 to 6 hours due to a heat-stable toxin. Question 2. An HIV-positive patient presents with altered sensorium. CSF sample with India ink stain is positive. Which organism is involved? A. Aspergillus fumigatus. B. Histoplasma capsulatum. C. Candida albicans. D. Cryptococcus neoformans. Answer: D. Cryptococcus neoformans. Explanation: Cryptococcus neoformans causes meningitis in immunocompromised patients, example HIV. It is identified by India ink staining, which highlights its capsule. Question 3. A person in a long-distance relationship presents with painful genital ulcers and tender lymphadenopathy. What is the most likely diagnosis? A. Chlamydia. B. Gonorrhea. C. Chancroid. D. Lymphogranuloma venereum. Answer: C. Chancroid. Explanation: Haemophilus ducreyi causes chancroid, presenting as painful ulcers with tender lymphadenopathy, school of fish, appearance on gram stain. Question 4. A 70-year-old patient with a murmur is diagnosed with prosthetic valve endocarditis caused by gram-positive cocci. What is the most common causative agent? A. Staphylococcus aureus. B. Staphylococcus epidermidis. C. Streptococcus viridans. D. Enterococci. Answer: B. Staphylococcus epidermidis. Explanation: S. epidermidis is the most common cause of prosthetic valve endocarditis, as it forms biofilms on prosthetic materials. Question 5. A patient is positive for HBsAg and IgM anti-HBc. What is their infection status? A. Acute hepatitis B infection. B. Chronic hepatitis B infection. C. Vaccinated. D. Recovered. Answer: A. Acute hepatitis B infection. Explanation: HBsAg plus and IgM anti-HBc plus indicate an active acute infection. Chronic cases would have IgG anti-HBc. Question 6. Which marker is positive in infectious hepatitis B? A. HBsAg. B. HBsAg plus BIG. C. HBcAg. D. HBcAg plus anti-HBe. Answer: B. HBsAg plus BIG. Explanation: HBsAg indicates active infection, while BIG suggests high infectivity. Question 7. What is the mechanism of botulinum toxin? A. Inhibits elongation factor 2. B. Inhibits release of ARC. C. Inhibits release of GABA. D. Induces cAMP. Answer: B. Inhibits release of ARC. Explanation: Botulinum toxin blocks acetylcholine release at neuromuscular junctions, causing flaccid paralysis. Question 8. Zhang smear of a vesicular lesion shows multinucleated giant cells. What is the most likely agent? A. Herpes simplex virus. B. HIV. C. Human papillomavirus. D. Epstein-Barr virus. Answer: A. Herpes simplex virus. Explanation: Herpes simplex and varicella zoster viruses show multinucleated giant cells on Zhang smear. Question 9. A newborn has sensorineural hearing loss and salt and pepper retinopathy. What is the diagnosis? A. Toxoplasma. B. Rubella. C. CMV. D. Herpes. Answer: B. Rubella. Explanation: congenital rubella syndrome causes cataracts, hearing loss, and salt and pepper retinopathy. Question 10. A child has hydrocephalus and diffuse cerebral calcifications. What is the likely agent? A. Toxoplasma. B. Rubella. C. CMV. D. Herpes. Answer: A. Toxoplasma. Explanation: congenital toxoplasmosis is characterized by hydrocephalus, intracranial calcifications, and chorioretinitis. Question 11. A farmer presents with jaundice and subconjunctival hemorrhages. MAT test is positive. What is the causative agent? A. Staphylococcus aureus. B. Escherichia coli. C. Leptospira. D. Brucella. Answer: C. Leptospira. Explanation: leptospirosis presents with jaundice, hemorrhages, and renal involvement. MAT, microscopic agglutination test, confirms the diagnosis. Question 12. Treatment of cryptococcosis. A. Fluconazole. B. Flucytosine plus LAMB. C. Liposomal amphotericin B. D. Flucytosine. Answer: B. Flucytosine plus LAMB. Explanation: combination therapy, flucytosine plus liposomal amphotericin B, is used for severe cryptococcal infections, especially in HIV/AIDS patients. Question 13. A firefighter with fever and cough has a culture with gram-negative, oxidase-positive bacteria. Colonies transilluminate under light. What is the agent? A. Pseudomonas. B. Staphylococcus aureus. C. Klebsiella. D. Serratia. Answer: A. Pseudomonas. Explanation: Pseudomonas aeruginosa is oxidase-positive, produces fluorescent pigments, and causes infections in immunocompromised individuals. Question 14. A thorn prick led to a lesion spreading along lymphatics. What is the most likely organism? A. Trichophyton rubrum. B. Sporothrix kenke. C. Aspergillus flavus. D. Coccidioides immitis. Answer: B. Sporothrix kenke. Explanation: sporotrichosis is a fungal infection following trauma, example thorn prick, and spreads along lymphatics. Question 15. A patient with a thorn prick develops a lesion. What is the organism's identification? A. Broad-based budding. B. Asteroid bodies. C. Captain wheel appearance. D. Pseudohyphae formation. Answer: B. Asteroid bodies. Explanation: asteroid bodies are seen in Sporothrix kenke infections. Question 16. Management of HIV-positive patient with multiple punctured dog bites. A. Vaccine. B. Local treatment. C. Local treatment plus vaccine plus FRIG. D. Local treatment plus FRIG. Answer: C. Explanation: for high-risk exposure, multiple bites, both rabies vaccine and human rabies immunoglobulin, REG, are needed. Question 17. Resistance to which TB drug is associated with CATG gene mutation? A. Isoniazid. B. Rifampicin. C. Ethambutol. D. Moxifloxacin. Answer: A. Isoniazid. Explanation: the CATG gene encodes catalase peroxidase, which activates isoniazid. Mutations lead to INH resistance.